Huh? I just left you 2 minutes ago. Locked in, no less. No. No. Not funny. I can't help but laugh though. You don't belong up here. You're supposed to be down the barn. No. Get back down there. Get back down the barn. Come on. I'm going inside. No. You're not going in. Do you hear me? Izzy. Isabel. You need to go back home. Come on. Get back here. You're not going in the house. Get. Come on. I'll do cowgirl. I'll do cowgirl. Come on.
There's something right up there.
Izzy.
Oh, it is.
Yes. Now I have to go get your food. Now I gotta go get all your food. Yeah. You're bad. You're bad. Two minutes. It took me to